Can we all unequivocally agree on the fact that electricity was a game changer to us humans on this earth? Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing great. So, in simple terms, electricity made our lives easier, isn't it? In fact, it also made us more and more lazy and is pampering us with lot of sophistication. As we have learnt in our schools, energy can neither be created nor destroyed but can be converted from one form to another. Long story short, the discovery of electricity revolutionized the world, and the main powering agent in this process has been the coal and fossil fuels. Hence, oil is compared to gold, wealth, or simply more money. We have come a long way since then, and now we are at a point where carbon emissions from these fossil fuels might even end up endangering our own survival on this planet. We call this anthropogenic carbon emissions. That means because of human beings and their excessive use of fossil fuels and other hydrocarbons, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has increased beyond its natural and sustainable amounts. At a global level, the governments, scientists, environmentalists, NGOs and other experts have come together and are taking various measures to make sure the overall temperature of the globe doesn't increase more than 1.5 degrees Celsius as compared to the pre-industrial level. It is at this point where energy is procured from diversified sources, which is also otherwise called renewable energy or simply green energy. While an extensive amount of research and funding is happening in the areas such as solar energy, sustainable use of nuclear energy, wind energy, hydropower and biomass energy, one more option is emerging significantly across the globe, and that is the hydrogen energy using hydrogen fuel. What is hydrogen energy? It involves the use of hydrogen or hydrogen containing compounds to generate energy to be supplied to all practical uses. How are hydrogen fuel cells better than the conventional energy forms? First, it's a renewable energy. It will not get exhausted by its huge amount of usage. Then, it is also clean and flexible energy source to support zero carbon energy strategies. They are more powerful and energy efficient than fossil fuels. It also has almost zero emissions and reduces the carbon footprints in the atmosphere. Hydrogen color spectrum. From green to pink hydrogen, we reveal the rainbow of hydrogen colors and the different types of technology used to produce each of them. So when I say rainbow of hydrogen colors, please don't get confused. As you all know, hydrogen is a colorless and invisible gas, and the different colors of hydrogen here denotes the methodologies by which they are produced. First one is black and brown hydrogen. Black coal or lignite is used in the hydrogen making process. Although having the procurement of hydrogen energy is a positive fact from this process, the negative is the usage of coal or lignite, which is releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Next one is grey hydrogen. Grey hydrogen is created from natural gas or methane. That is slightly better than the black hydrogen because natural gas is comparatively less polluting than the conventional fossil fuels. And then we have blue hydrogen. Here again, hydrogen is produced mainly from natural gas, but the catch here is the carbon which is released from the usage of methane or natural gas is captured and stored in the oceans. Hence, the color blue is assigned to this method of hydrogen production. Now coming to green hydrogen. We all are aware that water has two components, hydrogen and oxygen. By following the method of electrolysis, wherein the hydrogen and oxygen atoms are broken down, hydrogen energy is extracted. And to power this process, clean electricity or the renewable energy is used such as solar or wind powers. Hence the color green. We also have something called as pink hydrogen. In this methodology, electrolysis of water is powered by nuclear energy. Sometimes nuclear produced hydrogen can also be referred to as purple hydrogen or red hydrogen. In addition to these, we have other colors of hydrogen such as turquoise, yellow and white. Turquoise hydrogen is a new entry into the hydrogen color charts, and here hydrogen is made using a process called as methane pyrolysis. Yellow hydrogen is for hydrogen made through electrolysis using solar power. And finally, white hydrogen is a naturally occurring geological hydrogen found in underground deposits and created through fracking. In case of turquoise, yellow and white hydrogen, researchers and scientists are still figuring out to exploit these new methodologies, and currently we have no feasible strategies to exploit them. The future of our energy will be promising and sustainable provided we all as a community take tiny steps in reducing the atmospheric pollution and emission of greenhouse gases. While the scientists and governments are taking various measures to make a transition from hydrocarbon based energy production to renewable energy production, we must help them make this transition smooth and promising. Support this plan B of energy production because we don't have a planet B. Stay safe, stay inspired.